I don't even know. To be honest, I don't even know, but look at this shrimp. This is butter, garlic pepper, my go-to seasoning, of course, and some parsley. Yes, look at that. Oh, and a little bit of salt. And here are my
Cheesy grits.
cheese grits. Yes. Hold this for me so I can stir. That way nothing sticks. Yes, look at that, nice and creamy with enough salt and a little bit of pepper. That's these little black flakes in here. And a lot of cheese. This is about to be on and popping. I don't know if you consider this breakfast, but it's more like a lunch now. So, yes, look at this. It's a little bit loose, so I have to uncover so it can thicken up a little bit. That's why. And then the oven is on because I also have some bacon in here. And that's about it. And this here is the bacon. It's coming together nicely. I have it on 400 because it was frozen, so it's taking a little bit more time to cook, but hey, everything else is coming together nicely. Come on, get together. But anyways, yeah, this is basically supposed to be it. This is what you call brunch on a Sunday. And that is all she wrote. So stay tuned for more videos. Peace.
Don't tell me I can't have it, cause I get it myself. Trying to set limits, I'm not with it, I'm the go